There's this loud banging noise. Don't know what it is. It woke me up last night at like 3 a.m. Curious to see what it is. It's really early in the morning. See, hear that? No doubt you hear that. I can hear it. Oh jeez, spiderwebs. Spiderwebs. Ew. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna walk by like I'm not holding anything. So I'm gonna hold it down here. So you guys are gonna be lower to level. Pretty sure it's just those guys up there. Can you see them? They're like doing something to the house. But they've been doing it, but no way. The only way it's that, because literally 3 a.m. I go outside, that noise is still going. There's no way these guys stayed up all night. But this is a different noise. What was the other noise? It was like banging. I'm just confused. I'm so confused. I'm a little confused. There's no way they spit till like 3 a.m. Look at my hand, it's all dirty now. Ooh, hold up. I gotta zoom out here, bro. It's so dirty. This is me just trying to sit down. You see that person there? It scared the absolute crap out of me. I'm like, oh my god, there's a person. They're watching me do this. I'm like, okay. Oh, I'm just wrong. I had nothing. I don't know, but we're gonna take a walk around the church. Hey, what if it's open? I'm gonna poke the handle. Maybe. What if it's like open? No, they probably locked it. They locked it. Watch. Yeah, they locked it. Well, what does it say? Let me see. Fire department. Oh, focus. Oh, focus. Focus. Okay. Fire department. Dogs, life safety system, fire and rescue entry. Do not remove. Okay. I'm just gonna try to open the doors and see if it's open. Nope, locked. Great. Well, that was a strange loud banging noise in the church. America. Well, maybe a better angle. America. Nice. Tree. This tree's not patriotic. Just block the American flag. How dare you? Gotcha. Yeah, there's this one. What are you doing? This is amazing. Work. What if this door's open? It's locked. What the heck? You know, one time I was walking around here at nighttime. Honestly, there's one of these windows on the front, like over there by the front. I saw someone just standing there looking at me. I'm like, okay. And one time I was walking across here, I see some person just running down the hallway, looking like they're coming after me, and I'm like, bolting out of here. This is strange. Got nothing, like, standing anywhere. So it would suck. I'm just gonna keep looking down the hallway. If it was something in that door, that'd be strange. So nice. Dude, someone just came out of the church. A car just came out of the church. Crap. Well, I'm out of here. That was a weird banging noise, but I gotta investigate the real one. Literally, there's no way those guys stayed up all night. There's just no way they stayed up all night because there was banging noise going off all night. It's not that one over there. It was coming from this church. I was like, I don't even know what it was. No. Wow, it's like a loud banging noise, and it was so annoying. I'm like, what the heck is that? Well, I didn't find it out here in this video, but I might find it out sometime. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading in a while. It's been horrible. 4 days, bro. I'm gonna chop my hair off. Anyway, guys, that's the end. Well, leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because it's some cool stuff. There's some pretty cool things coming this summer. This summer, the X Big Poppy is uploading pretty cool things. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Well, now I'm climbing back over the fence. Bye, everybody. Anyway, that's the end.